Hi everyone, I'm the Senior Tech and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello, welcome to the next video. Today I would like to show you a very rare coolant leak on the 1.0 EcoBoost engine. This is the second time I am looking for a leak in this car. The engine is losing a very small amount of fluid, and the last time I only had a quick check. Let's connect the pressure tester and do the proper inspection. Looked at the top and bottom of the engine and everything was bone dry. What pays my attention is a wet bulkhead soundproofing mat, soaked with antifreeze fluid. At this time, I know where to look. Remove some intake pipes for better access. Check the coolant hoses connection at the bulkhead and all is clear. Disconnect the coolant hose and check the rubber O-ring. I think my comment is unnecessary. Found the correct size O-ring and replaced it. Now I need to put it all back together, refill fluid, and recheck to make sure there are no more leaks. Thanks guys for watching, and see you again soon.